Coast to Coast Lending, and I'm glad you found your way to this page, because this page is really where the magic happens. If you're shopping for a home, or if you're shopping for a refinance, a pre-approval letter is really what you need in your hands to move forward with confidence. I'm not here to take away your relationship with your real estate agent. In fact, if I don't know your real estate agent, I would love to work with them and build that relationship. So I will make that phone call, and I will get them that pre-approval letter and make that introduction so that they feel comfortable with me. I've got no problems doing that. If you don't have a realtor, I would be glad to connect you with one of my realtor preferred partners, and that always works too. So whatever the case is with your real estate agent, don't worry about that. A lot of times real estate agents try to push their clients into the guy that they know. Don't let them be too pushy with that too, and I'll tell my realtor friends the same thing. Your relationship with your lender is your relationship with your lender, and you can use whomever it is that you see fit. Everyone thinks that their buddy is the best. It's just kind of the way it works. But once you fill out that loan app, I'll get notified via email. So you don't have to worry about calling me or texting me and say, hey, I filled out the loan app. I check my email about every 5 minutes. So I'm very dedicated to making sure that those loan apps get reviewed the same business day, if at all possible. Worst case, if you fill it out later in the day or in the evening, I'm going to review it first thing in the morning, because I know that when you're shopping, or that once you get the process going, everyone's very anxious to know what they can do and what they can't do. And so that pre-approval letter in your hands, I know is going to feel good, and so it's my goal to get it to you as quick as possible. Now, if you're concerned about your credit score, don't be too concerned. If it's like lower than 600, give me a phone call. Let me give you some advice to get it popped up, because it won't take too long. Because honestly, if it's less than 600, I won't be able to do anything for you, at least not right now. So having that conversation beforehand is going to be smart if you're concerned about your credit score. But otherwise, if it's 620 or higher, just go ahead and fill out the loan app, and I'll review it and answer any questions that you have once I review the credit, and help you out that way. But the other thing is, inquiries. People get concerned about inquiries. Inquiries make up about 10% of your credit score over the course of the year. An individual inquiry can have like a 1 to 3 point impact on your score. So it's really nominal in the grand scheme of things. If your credit's been checked already from another lender, you've got a 45-day window where you won't have an additional impact on your score. There's a window there where you're encouraged to shop, basically. And so it's going to count as the same inquiry if it's been checked already. So don't worry about that. Realtors want to see a pre-approval letter. So if you're wanting to go out shopping, they're going to want to see that thing in your hands, or they're going to at least want to know that you are pre-approved with a lender. So that's the first step. Or whether you're doing a refinance, you've got to do the pre-approval so that we can really take the next steps and get you a good interest rate quote, and get the ball rolling for that as well. So if you have any questions, you can text me, you can call me. Evenings or weekends are fine. I don't mind. If you don't get me on the phone right away, shoot me a text message if it's later, if it's on the weekend. I might be out on the boat or doing something, I don't know. But I'm usually pretty quick to go ahead and get people taken care of, no matter where I'm at or what I'm doing. So once again, I'm Keith, and I'm glad that you've made it to this spot, because this is really where the magic happens. Taking that next step and filling out the loan app, we can sort of dispel the mystery and get you moving in the right direction. So I hope you have a good evening, or a good day, or a good morning, whatever time it is. And I'll see you soon. You'll be hearing from me. Thanks.